As you can see, there is illegal road cutting being done here in Kabul-Asim near the ferry point with the police protection, and this is completely illegal because there is no order from the PWD. You have to get permission to cut the road from the PWD or the collector. This is completely illegal what is happening right here in Kabul-Asim, and this is the state of Goa. As you can see, there are water department officials, there are police officials right here. Yeah. As you see, the road cutting is still going on here without any permission from the PWD or the collector. I hope this is going to the Chief Minister, because the Chief Minister himself has said that there will be no road cutting without the permission of the PWD and the collector. The Chief Minister himself has said this, but these people have no regard for the Chief Minister. They have no regard for the collector. They have no regard for anybody in Goa, and such illegal work is going on in Goa. So people, please safeguard your properties, because the government officials are hand in glove with people who want to damage your properties. See, I am here and they are forcibly trying to enter our property and put clamps on our property, which they cannot do. This is my wall. We have built this wall. We have built this wall, and no one can put a clamp on our wall, and no one can pass through our property. Whether they bring police protection or whatever. Just thing. Yes. Whether they bring police, this is all illegal. They've not got permission from the PWD department. They've not got permission from any department, and they're trying to actually trespass on our property, which I am not going to allow at any cost. I hope the full of Goa is listening to this video and seeing what my own property. I am not going to get out from my property. I am not going to get out from my property. No, I will stay here. No one can get me out. Baba, no one can get me out. Baba, if I go, full of Goa will know. Full of Goa will know. I go, the full of Goa will know. If I go, the full, look at the pipes they are trying to put illegal pipes here with the conjunction of the police. I'm not going to go out, man. Who are you? No. Who are you? Leave me. Leave me. You are no one. You are no one. You are no one. Baba, maan go. Goa will get saved. Goa will get saved. Goa will get saved. Already the water is given from their side. You all only have given the connection from their side. Why are you coming this side? Baba, already stay. Dialogue already. They cannot enter your private property. This is the rule number 1 of any land in any part of the world. In any part of the world. You are cutting public property, that's a different story. But this is my property, this is my wall. I have built this 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 wall. We have built this wall. And my ancestors have built this wall. Look at them now. They will come back. They will come back after some time. Cut it. Just post it. Now, as you see, we are standing at this beautiful place in Kabul-Asim, right near the ferry point. As you can see, the bridge is right there. You can turn it there, and it's very beautiful. And I had a really beautiful house here in 2017. It was illegally and wrongfully demolished. I won the case 8 years later. In 2025, finally I won the case. And the CRZ themselves have said that this house was always existing. In fact, it's been existing from 1972. In fact, we have 2 structures in the 1972 plan. We won the case, and that's why they wanted to put pipes through our property to spoil our property, which we actually stopped. As you can see, the water department people are still here trying to illegally put the pipes, but not through our property, through the river. But they have no permission from river navigation. They have no permission from CRZ. They have no permission from the PWD, and they have no permission from anyone, including me. Yeah, but my time in Goa is over because I have to go on my world tour, playing my music all over the world. But this beautiful house is up for sale, and you can build a beautiful house here, and you can live in Goa, because my time in Goa is over. I fought for Goa all my life, but I have to go on my music tour now. And but there are guys like Tony who will keep fighting for Goa, because my heart was always with Goa. That's why I made the Amche Goa song, and a lot of other songs for Goa, which we played in a lot of agitations. We played in a lot of movements. In fact, that song was instrumental in stopping the mining at that time. But as you know, I have to go all over the world playing my music and raising the vibrations of the people. But whichever part of the world I will go, I will take Goa with me, because Goa has given me so much. All my songs come from Goa, and we're going to take Goa to the world now. And but thankfully, there are guys like Tony, whom I really trust, and who really has a love for Goa. And these guys are still in Goa, and they will fight for Goa. And one day, I'm sure Goa will rise again. Yeah, Tony?
Yes, Doctor, we are very, very thankful. Also, Dr. वरुण कारवालो तेज्यान इंट्रोडक्शन दिवपा नाका. तो आमचे गोंयचें नांव आख्खे वर्ल्डाक फेमस करता. वर्ल्ड वायड तो टूर करता म्युजीक घेवन तेजे आपले. तो म्युजीक कंपोजर, सॉंग कंपोजर, म्युजिशियन, आनी ऑलरेडी तो युरोप टूर केला तेणें, आफ्रिका टूर केला तेणें. आमचे गोंयचें म्युजीक आनी प्लस इंटरनॅशनल म्युजीक, इंग्लीश सॉंग्स एंड ऑल. तो इतली एक्साइटिंग मनीस, तो एंथुजियास्टिक 24 hours. The energy level is always high, Dr. Varun. And by profession he is a dentist, expert dentist. आणि कितले तेणें स्कुलांनी, विलेजींनी तेणें क्लिनिनेस ड्रायव्ह केले. तेणें बीचीस क्लीन करपाच्यो, आमचे सरावंडींग क्लीन करपाच्यो, धाकट्या धाकट्या भुरग्यांक घेवन, स्कुलाचे गांवच्या भुरग्यांक घेवन तेणी हे एक्टिविटीज केले. आनी एक गोंय निवळ दवरपाचें, गोंय सेफ दवरपाचें तेणें कितलेच लोकांचे मायंड्सांक घातला, तकल्यांक घायला. आनी तेणें सांगले प्रमाणे म्हाका दूख भोगता तेजें घर मोडलें म्हणून. आनी तो केस जिखलो आनी तें
पुन्हा रिपीट करपाक जाता.
हय.
So whoever is buying this, you can have this beautiful part of Goa. And right now, as you see, there are no pipes also on our property. All the pipes have been put in the river. So everyone keep fighting for Goa and keep fighting for your rights. And that's all I have to say, because
पयलें जे FC गोवाचे सॉंग काडलोलें दी तेका म्हूण, जे खूब व्हायरल जालोलें, एकदम सगळे म्हणटाले आनी सगळे कडेन प्ले जाताले. तो कंपोजर आमचो डॉक्टर वरुण कारवालो.
हांवें तें सॉंग केलोलो कित्याक गोंयकारां फोर्स दिवपा. दी तेका रे, कोणाक आतां तूं भियेनाका रे. दी तेका रे, कोणाक आतां तूं भियेनाका रे. Goinkar, do not get scared of the police. Do not get scared of anyone. You have the right, and fight for your right every single day, every single night. In my heart, Goa will always be there. I will take Goa to the rest of the world. Every Goan who was with me in the stadium, every Goan who was with me in the schools, every Goan who was with me in the concerts, you are still with me, and you will be in my heart forever and ever. And Tony will have some last words to say for Goa, because he is the Goan Rakondar, and there are a few of them. He is not alone, and he will actually say some last few words before we leave this place.
म्हाका सदांच कोंकणीन उलोवपाक बरें दिसता, कित्याक आमी काळजांतल्यान येता तें. आनी डॉक्टर सकयल डॉक्टर वरुण कारवालो, ताका परतून एकदां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा, कित्याक तेणें आमच्या गोंयचें नांव इतलें वयर काडलां. पयले सुवातेर तो एज अ डॉक्टर, मागीर तेजें सॉंग कंपोजींग एंड promoting Goan culture and our spirit and all over the world. आणि तो अजून मुखार वचपाचो.
And he went to schools from Arambol to Agonda. Right now, the kids in Goa, they are waiting. One day, this Goan army, this Rise Nation army will rise, and Goa will rise again. Forza Goa. May the force always be with Goa.
येस, देव बरें करूं. मोग आसूं सगल्यांक.
मोग आसूं.
डॉक्टर वरुणाक
मोग
सदां
आसूं.
ऑलवेज बरें हांव येता. ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड डावट ना, तेणें ऑलरेडी गोंयचें नांव वयर काडलेलें आसा, आनी कितलें वयर काडटलो आमकां, आनी सामकी फूल कॉन्फिडन्स आसा. आनी ऑलवेज वी आर विथ डॉक्टर वरुण.
Mogaso, Forza Goa.